Hey y'all, hey, how's life? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. As y'all can see by the title today, it is another day in my life. Y'all, I'm over here trying to get my day started right now. As you can see, like you could hear my voice, like I just kind of woke up like 30 minutes ago. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, you know. I got a hair appointment today. Like, I have a hair appointment. I have to go wash my car. I have another birthday dinner tonight. Yes, another. Like, it's a lot going on today. And I'm about to squeeze it into one day. So, let me get started. Like, I'm over here about to do my lashes real quick. I'm deciding on if I want to do fluffy or a natural look today. I might do a little natural. Because I don't like to go overboard, you know? I don't know. I'm really debating. So the lashes are done. As y'all can see, the big difference, because my face was bald at first and I cannot walk out the house like that. So now that this part finished, I'm about to go get changed and go eat breakfast real quick because it is 8:02 and my appointment is at 9 o'clock on the dot. And I've said it many times before, baby, I like to be on time. I hate being late anywhere, especially a hair appointment, because I'm not about to get charged the extra fee, okay? But I'm gonna leave out maybe around 8:20, 8:30, no later than 8:30 for sure, because the shop's about 30 minutes away. So let me hurry up and go get changed. The bonnet's staying until I get there, but so please excuse my washing machine in the background. Y'all might hear that going off a little bit, but it's time for me to go. I just got done eating breakfast. All I did was eat some cereal, nothing major. And I'm about to drink a little bit of my protein shake coffee because I don't know, even though I'm not working out today because I got so much to do. Or I don't know, I might go for a little run if I have time to do so, a little jog or something like that. But I need the energy boost because I am tired. Like, really tired. And yeah, I'm ready to get today over with. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna be sitting down for a very long time though for this hair appointment, so I'm not really tripping. Cause I don't think I mentioned, but I am actually getting my hair braided today. So there's that. And yeah, after my braid appointment, then I am going to go wash and clean out my car. So it's really time to go though. It is 8:20. I told y'all I'm out the door at 8:20. By 8:30, you know, let's get going. All right, y'all. I am on the way to my appointment. I do have a 25-minute drive, which is really not bad, you know. Hopefully traffic not bad because it is Saturday morning. And Houston traffic is nothing to play with, no matter what time. So why am I just now seeing that my sound had cut out in my last clip or whatnot? I had no clue. But just so y'all know, I did make it to my appointment very early and on time. I made it at 8:45 because there was like literally no traffic. I literally made it in exactly 25 minutes. I am shook. But I'm just here waiting until 9 o'clock until I walk in. You know, some braiders don't like when you show up super duper early. And I am A-okay with that. So I'm just sitting outside waiting, you know, until it's time to go in. And I can't wait to get started.
Wow. You play with my piece to get a storyline on TV and then I laugh in my face and come and cry and me I don't feel bad.
I never got your video. How fast you take him out when I came back out?
Not bad. No, he just took him down yesterday.
Yeah, so I've done doing
Okay, y'all, so I am back home, and as y'all can see, the hair is done. It is laid. I will be tagging my braider down in my description. Just make sure that, you know, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and literally go follow her on Instagram as well, because she did these lemonade braids for a very good price. I'm not gonna say the price because you can actually kind of negotiate with her. So, you know, y'all go book her. She's in North Houston or whatnot, and baby, the work, I tell you, like, did amazing. But I did end up making like 2 more stops after going to the car wash. Y'all already saw I got me some Chick-fil-A, and I had to go to Sephora to get some One Size finish spray. Like, that is the best spray for makeup, because y'all, I need to start doing makeup videos as well, because One Size is amazing. I'm gonna just say that. It's hard for me to explain because I'm new to the makeup world, but I've been doing it a lot lately because I've been going out a lot more. But I'm gonna just say that One Size finishing spray is like a staple, especially for me, because y'all see I have super duper oily skin, and that's my go-to. I'm gonna stick with it, okay? But as of right now, I'm about to eat my lunch because the appointment did last from 9 to 2, and after running all my little errands, it is now 4 o'clock, and you know, I'm tired. So I'm about to chill until my man get off. You know, I'm gonna wait till he gets off, and then I'm gonna do his hair, and then we're gonna get dressed. I'm gonna let y'all see me do my makeup or whatnot, and then we're gonna head out to, I can't say it because it's a surprise for him, and you know how that goes, but we're gonna head to a spot, you know, for his surprise birthday dinner or whatever, and you know, I'm gonna show y'all how that goes as well, and I just can't wait till later. Y'all, I'm like, for real, these braids is eating, like, hey, I'm loving them, because this is my first time also doing this hairstyle. This is the first time I've ever let anybody touch my head other than me and my mama. My mama don't count, because once she stopped doing my hair, then I started doing my own head. But for me to be able to find her for the price she charged, and she was so close to my house, and she did an amazing job, baby, she about to be the second only person that's ever been in my head, because I am too stunned to speak, even though that's all I'm doing right now is talking. But I do have a big head, a big forehead or whatnot. But yeah, again, make sure y'all go follow her, Z the Braider, on Instagram.